having issues with the breaker tripping. I do have an amp clamp on it right now. With the unit powered on, it's just showing 0.3 amps. Just for testing, I did unplug the vacuum pump. When I plugged the vacuum pump directly into this circuit and tested, it's pulling about 6.4 amps. I did go ahead and disconnect the heaters just to rule out that they're what's causing the breaker to trip. Just cycling through to test the circuits. I'm gonna turn the vacuum circuit on. You can hear like a relay clicking there, but it doesn't cause the breaker to trip. Same with the heater, does not cause the breaker to trip. Previously when I tested the heater, it pulls around 10 amps. As soon as you click freeze, let me back up so you can see the breaker trips. And this is a dual function arc fault ground fault breaker. I have also tried using the traditional dumb breaker